Hello guys, welcome on my channel 4 Wheels by David. Today I'm gonna show you how to repair the tire with this kit. This is TYRE plug kit. Welcome to view. So we have screw in here. We have to take screwdriver or pliers, remove the screw or nail, yeah. Was very long. Here is a hole, so we need to use this tool from this kit, yeah, what I've been showing them, and we need to clean the hole. It's very hard to do, but I am sure that you guys are strong and you will manage. We need to do like a few times, back and forward. Yeah, 3-4 times, and should be enough, I think. So now what I gonna do, use the other tool with the hole on it, yeah. We need to put some sticky rubber. This sticky rubber is also in the kit, yeah, in here. We need to put into the hole, yeah, like that. For need before a middle, yeah, for half, like, yeah, into the hole. And now I need to put some glue over it, yeah. The glue is also inclusive this kit, yeah. Put into the hole and quickly pull it away, yeah. So let's gonna do. Okay. So one, two, three. So now what we're gonna do is the rest of this rubber, yeah. Maybe I will put camera in here, how you can see. The rest of this rubber, yeah, we need to cut with the knife. Just cut it straight. Then we have to pump a tire to standard manufacturer pressure. So let's do it. So now it's nice flat on the tire, yeah. I will spray some water. There's not much pressure on the tire, nearly nothing. But now we have to pump a tire. got here gauge. Before. "35 psi, 34. That should be enough. Now I will spray with water. Looks like done, yeah? No bubbles coming up, so looks like it's alright, yeah? You can see, it's hard to see on the camera, but I can see in here that is no bubbles at all, yeah? So thank you very much guys for watching. If you are happy with my video, please leave a like, subscribe my channel, leave a comment below what you think about that you are happy with my video or not. Welcome in future to next videos. Yeah? Thank you very much.